Hey y'all, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to be using these paints, Chalkola, and it's this box comes with 32 colors. It's acrylic paint, and these nice folks sent this to me to try, so I'm going to give it a whirl here, and we're going to do a little canvas, and I think I'm going to do a bloom blowout. So I'm going to get my paints ready and let's get right to it. I want to thank you for being here, and I want to thank you subscribers, and hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I certainly do appreciate it, and like and thumbs up and comment. Go ahead and tell me hi right now. All right. These are the colors in the Chalkola paint that I'm going to be using today. I've got raw sienna, phthalo blue, burnt umber, and titanium white. And I've got my colors mixed up. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. These are all mixed with Liquitex Pouring Medium. I've got my titanium white for my base, and I've got my white for my cells. So I'm going to get started here, dumping the white on here. These paints are thicker and more concentrated, so it takes less paint going into here than some of your normal acrylic paints. Okay, so I have my base paint, my titanium white on here, and I'm going to start with the blue. Now in between each color, this is my titanium white with treadmill belt silicone lubricant, and I want to put just a couple of drops in between each one. Just layering these colors. The burnt umber, raw sienna, and phthalo blue. And in between each one, just a couple of drops of the titanium white with the silicone. Okay, so I'm going to be using this little Revlon hair dryer. It's really handy, works for me. I don't have enough oomph in my blowing my air to do it that way, so I'm going to use this. Okay, I can tell I'm liking these colors a lot. So now I'm going to start to manipulate, stretch it. Get it to moving here on the canvas. There we have it. Let me clean my hands off. To a degree. Not been trying not to use my gloves on the pours because gloves are hard to get right now. So things like resin where you have to use gloves. But anyway, I think this is really pretty. Gotta want to help it over the edge over here in some little spots. But wow, yeah, really pretty, really pretty. I like the colors. I love phthalo blue. It's one of my favorites. And that just looks great. We have great cell definition. We've got great intricate little detail definition going on, and that just looks pretty cool to me. I hope that you will think so as well. I'm going to put a torch on it just a little bit. I see a few little air bubbles, or you can always, if you're not comfortable using a torch, get a little heat gun, just a little small heat gun, because that will work also. And help you pop those bubbles, and you don't have to have any fumes, or if you're afraid of catching something on fire, I'd recommend using the little heat gun. Just get a little small one, you know, because you don't want one of those that's high power blowing, and this one is just perfect for that. I have a link down below. Also, the link to these paints, the Chalkola paints, is down below. So I hope that you'll take a look at those, go to their website and take a look at that, and just leave me your comments on this. Let me know what you think. Color-wise, I couldn't be happier. I love the colors. Anyway, I hope wherever you are that you're all healthy, and I know everybody's ready to get back into the real world. So take care and be safe, and I'll see you next time. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.